Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my newest video. Anyway guys, in this video it will be another unboxing video. This will be a beverage update, drinks and stuff. So guys, this big box, it's quite heavy, so forgive me. This just arrived in the mail, so guys, I'm going to open this up now and show you guys what I've picked up. Okay guys, I've got my scissors here. Guys, for safety reasons, always hold the scissors like this. Don't hold them like that because it's dangerous. Always hold them like that. Okay, just for a safety tip in case of So guys, I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what I've picked up. Okay guys, so that is for that bit there, and if I just put this on the floor instead. Sorry guys, bear with me. I'm just trying to get this bit off, if I can get to it. Okay guys, there we are. Okay guys, the box is now open. So guys, now I'm going to show you what I've picked up. Okay guys, and as you can already see, the first thing I picked up, it is of Dr. Pepper Cherry Vanilla. Now guys, I've never tasted the cherry vanilla one ever, but I have tasted Dr. Pepper Cherry, so I am looking forward to tasting this one. Okay guys, and then there's got another box in here, and it is also of Dr. Pepper Cherry Vanilla. So guys, here we have it. Here we have it guys, for my unboxing video. There we are guys, there is my two boxes of Dr. Pepper Cherry Vanilla. Okay guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Okay guys, thanks for watching, take care, bye for now guys, stay safe, bye for now, bye.